Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to learn 1. What is accounting? 2. What is the process of accounting? 3. What is the objective and importance of accounting? So let's get started. What is accounting? Accounting is a systematic process of recording, classifying, and explaining all financial transactions. Accounting is also called an information system. Accounting provides the necessary information about the company's profit and loss, the value and the nature of a firm's assets, liabilities, and owner's equity for a particular time period. What is the accounting process? Accounting is the process of counting the number of transactions occurring in each business daily, and identifying these transactions as soon as they occur, then writing to the accounting book, processing it, and providing this information to the interested users. Accounting process consists of three main activities. 1. Identification, identify the economic events or transactions. 2. Recording, record, classify and summarize the transactions. 3. Communication, prepare accounting reports. What is the objective and importance of accounting? The objective of accounting is infinite. The main objectives and importance of accounting are as follows. 1. Record the transactions properly into the books of account. 2. Know the financial condition of a firm. 3. Identify the profit and loss of a firm. 4. Resist and control fraud and falsity. 5. Reduce the unnecessary cost of a firm. 6. Help to take the correct decision. 7. Provide the necessary information to the stakeholders, which are shareholders, investors, banks, government, etc. Thanks for watching. If you want to get an update and learn accounting regularly, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutataccounting.info for learning accounting easy and simple way.